So now when it comes to measuring current, you need to put the meter in series with the load there. So you need an opening. When a switch is off, that is also an opening that we can take advantage of. So this meter is not an auto ranging meter. We are going to measure 20 milliamps or less, and we actually need to move the red probe for this meter to where it says milliamps right there. So always pay close attention to that. And there we go. That's also where you would move one of the probes for measuring capacitance. So in any case, we have to hit the power button for this meter, and it is set to milliamps, as you can see there. We want to do less than 20 though, because that's what we set. So this is 2 milliamps, as we saw before. It's a 5 volts, 1000 ohm resistor, and we got 5 milliamps there. Now, when it comes to the red LED, we can just bridge the switch right there, and you can see it's about 12.3 milliamps current approximately. Now when it comes to the resistor, we could see how much goes through it. It might be out of limit, but it's about yeah, it was out of limit. That's why it was beeping. It was slightly above 20 milliamps of current. That was the warning, but it was just a little bit more, so we probably would not damage it. Now we want to get it off of measuring current, get it to a voltage setting, get it off here, because if you accidentally try to measure a voltage and it's a bit above 20 milliamps of current, you might blow a fuse and have to replace the fuse, and then turn the power off too when you're done.